Om Ajnana-timirandasya Jnananjana-shalakaya Chakshurun-militam yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupak Kada Mayam Dadati Swapadantikam. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. With the experience of last few days of what's happening around, I was thinking it is so grave offense that we have performed by giving up Krishna and coming in the material world. The gravity of that decision to leave Krishna and come down here to enjoy independently is very big, unbelievably big. Because after coming down here, whatever struggle you do to come back to Krishna consciousness, it is extremely difficult. And the more difficult it becomes by the events happening around, it's a proof that the offense that we have performed is very grave. For example, when you don't get sleep and when your health is bad, it is so difficult to chant. Unless you are a pure devotee, Mahatma, Siddha Purush, Siddha Mata, then you can chant in the pain also, severe pain, chant in bad health, and chant in sleep deprivation. But commonly, for people like us, if we are sleep deprived, if your health is bad, and if you are in too much of pain, which could be physical, which could be family oriented, which could be social, which could be psychological, if there are pains, very difficult to chant our rounds. So in all these situations, we have to make sure that we should get good sleep before we sit for chanting. Some days, even if we get a little late, it is all right. But make sure that your sleep is full, you have taken enough adequate sleep, and take care of your health, because in those two conditions, it is not possible to chant properly. When you are sleep deprived, then our chanting quality goes down to third class, because no attention, all time thinking of sleeping. When health is bad, even if the tip of the finger has some small abscess, it's throbbing. So all the attention is there. It's throbbing, and there's no attention to chanting Hare Krishna. When there's deep pain in the body or in the mind somewhere, mind only thinks of the pain. That's mind's nature. So difficult to focus on the holy name. So most important is, if at all we want to rectify our offense of leaving Krishna, and if at all we want to go back to Krishna, the key is to chant attentively as far as possible. Offer ourselves with full attention to the holy name. With great effort, determination, planning our day, with all that necessary effort, see that we chant attentively. Then looking at our effort, maybe Sri Krishna will decide, okay, let me take him. Not by our effort, but the effort may convince him to be merciful. So my latest and fresh realization is that you may go steady for so many days, and suddenly something may happen that you will be topsy-turvy, You will be losing contact with the world around you. You're totally confused, bewildered, and you don't know what's happening around you. Your eating time, sleeping time, bathing time, everything is just topsy-turvy. And then you come to know, oh, it is so difficult. One little difficulty thrown by Krishna makes you so much disoriented, out of your plan. So when death comes, then there is total bomb, big bombshell is there. So how are we going to do that? That's why we have to really pray hard to let us concentrate on the holy name. Pray hard that in all the conditions of life, happiness and sorrow, let me chant your name. Sukhe dukhe bhule nako, vadane hari naam korore. Matra sparshas sukonteya, shita ushna sukha dukkhada. And all these conditions which are going to inevitably happen in our life, we have to pray that let me get trained with more and more difficulties. In the earlier life, when we became Krishna conscious, it was so easy, everything was so peaceful. We had to learn to chant. Now, as we are progressing further in our life, we come to know that we are now putting into a training with all difficult backgrounds. Now onward, there will be no peaceful, stable conditions. Always there will be something unstable, something bothering you, some calamity, some challenge will be always there. So don't wait for the ideal conditions that when those things will settle down, I will chant nicely. No, those things are not going to settle down. They will in fact increase day by day in full of variety. We have to get determined, okay, this is it. I have to fight in this situation only. Battle is going on when I'm wounded. Battle is going on when I'm deprived. Battle is going on when I'm not well. Battle will go on. Battle will not stop and wait for you to get well. So let us all get determined that we want to chant Hare Krishna attentively. In all given pleasant and unpleasant conditions, we will not wait for the pleasant conditions to come, and we want to chant, and we will chant, and we are determined to chant. We will not give up the holy name. Whatever the Lord sends, whatever Maya sends, I want to chant attentively. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.